It's going.
Officer, no black dick for you guys. Look at this. No black dick for you guys. No black dick for you guys. You're gonna zip our pants. Yep. Officer. No black dick for you guys. Trust me, man. Look at this. No black dick for you guys. We're gonna zip our pants. You guys envy us. Envy. You guys are jealous of us. Look at this. Yep. I know you guys are jealous. She knows what I'm talking about. Look at this amazing girl. She knows. Yep. Look at this bad girl with the muscles. Woo! You guys envy us. Envy. Officer! No black dick for you guys, man. Officer! Yeah, don't go back to the car. I'm here. Hello? Okay. I know.
Also,
Yeah, that's the one.